Commonly referred to as GW Check, the maintenance options in GroupWise are extensive. This quick video will introduce you to the most basic and most common options. If we look at the admin console, you will notice that the maintenance button is available for an individual user object here. It is also available on the post office object here. This allows you to run a repair on a single user or for all users on a post office at one time. Let's focus on the Analyze Fix action and the options you can check to include. When you hear a support technician ask if you have run a check on a user, these are the actions referred to. A structure check verifies the integrity of the database files themselves. It looks at each record and makes sure it complies with the expected format. This is a quick operation that is safe to run. If you include the index check with the structure check, it makes sure messages appear in the folders where they belong. This takes a little longer but may correct message sorting issues for the user. The content check validates connections from the user database items that link to message database items. You can also gather statistics here and also validate the files that are attached to messages by checking here. Depending on the size of the mailbox, the content check can take quite a while to run, so you will want to plan accordingly. You can uncheck the fix box here if you want to run a report on what problems are identified without actually making the changes to fix those problems. It must be checked, however, if you wish to update disk space totals for the users. This is a great time to point out how to make sure you get a copy of the GWCheck log file after running maintenance. Open the domain object that owns the post office and click the General tab. The Notify user listed here will receive an email with a log attached for any maintenance run on any post office or user in this domain. Quick tip, you can enter a group name here if you want multiple people to get messages for the domain. So that's the quick view of GWCheck. I'll be adding a video on the standalone version of the GWCheck utility next, so look for that if you need to run checks on remote or archive GroupWise structures. Thank you.